The twilight gleam is in her eyes. The night is on her hair, and like a lovesick lion she hath my heart enthralled. No life I own, no liberty. With love is Lord of And sometimes when the beetle's horn hath lulled the eve to sleep, I steal unto her shieling low, and through her doreen peep. There on the cricket singing stone she stirs the bogwood fire, and hums in soft, sweet undertones the song of heart's desire, the song